AlkaViva are one of the top ionizer brands in the world, and the Vesta H2 is currently their best model ever in terms of performance. As a result, it claims to be capable of achieving very impressive pH, ORP, and hydrogen level readings that could potentially make it one of the best performing 9-plate ionizers to date. The Vesta H2 uses the latest and best technology from AlkaViva to efficiently ionize water. It is fitted with a total of 9 platinum-coated titanium plates, all of which are manufactured in Japan to a very high standard of quality. These plates are then each combined with a custom-made membrane to produce a complete water cell. Varying levels of performance can be accessed through the buttons on the front of the Vesta H2. In total, there are 8 buttons. 5 for varying strengths of alkaline water, 2 for acidic water levels, and finally 1 for purified neutral water that isn't ionized. Each mode can then be further customized to meet personal preferences by altering the power setting. This is adjusted automatically for optimal performance, but manual adjustments can be useful depending on the hardness and quality of a water source. Finally, the front interface is home to the flow control dial. This dial allows for full control over the water flow through the device, and it can take it as low as 1 litre per minute or as high as 3.5 litres per minute. The lowest level can also be further decreased directly through the tap, and the lower the flow is, the stronger the levels achieved by the device will be, due to increased contact time with the plates. Moving on, the pH and ORP levels that can be achieved by the Vesta H2 are very impressive, which is mainly due to the well-built electrodes I mentioned earlier. At the maximum Alkaline 5 setting, with the power manually set to 4 and the flow dial set to 1 litre per minute, we saw a pH of 11.7 and an ORP of -870. These results and the others that can be obtained at different levels are incredibly impressive when compared to other premium ionizers, and they were achievable without any accessories. From source water with a neutral pH of just over 7. Additionally, we were able to produce highly acidic water for cleaning purposes, and we recorded a pH as low as 2.7. The Vesta H2 also produced the best hydrogen performance we have ever seen from an ionizer, with 1.6 parts per million of hydrogen being produced at the highest settings. The hydrogen content is clearly visible due to the cloudy nature of the water produced, which is caused by small pockets of H2 molecules. The Vesta H2 can produce these superior results thanks to its membrane structure, which is produced through an ultrasonic pressing method. This allows for a much higher quality membrane that allows for very efficient diffusion of hydrogen back into the water. Producing water with such impressive level results is of course a key part of a good ionizer. But we also believe that an ionizer's ability to keep itself in good condition is equally as important. So many ionizers begin to fail after just 1 year, simply due to scale buildup on their plates. Luckily, AlkaViva have worked around this issue with their dual automatic reverse cleaning system, or DRAC2 as they call it. This system reverses the ionizer's polarity with every use, allowing it to clean itself without having to wait for a cleaning cycle to complete. In areas of particularly hard water, Additional items can also be added to the system to reduce the total dissolved solids in the water. The main systems recommended by AlkaViva are the Ultra Spartan and the EOS filters, which both significantly help with ionizer maintenance. On top of a slew of features for ionizing, the Vesta H2 has also been equipped with a pair of 13-stage Ultra Water filters. Ultra Water provides some of the best filtration around, far exceeding a majority of other ionizer filters, in terms of performance by removing 99.9% of all common water contaminants. As a result, the water that enters the Vesta is ideal for ionization, and the water that leaves it is optimized for drinking. Each of these Ultra Water filters has a rated life of about 4,000 litres, or 1,000 gallons. And the latest versions used with the Vesta H2 contain microchips that accurately detect incoming water quality and automatically show when the filter needs to be changed. Both filters are replaced in the same way, and they can be accessed through the panels on each side of the device. The panels are removed by holding the button at their base with one hand while sliding up with the other. The filter can then be removed with a simple twist, and the new filter can be lined up and slotted in its place. After carrying out plenty of our own testing, we do believe that the Vesta H2 matches up to expected levels of performance, definitely making it one of the best 9-plate ionizers available right now. Being able to reach impressive hydrogen levels at recommended pH levels makes it especially impressive. And we feel that other brands are going to have to start playing catch up in order to compete at the highest level.